107 species in genus Protea. What is Protea flower? Protea flower? Oh, let me tell you about this beauty. It's like a burst of vibrant colors and textures. I first encountered it during a trip to South Africa, where it's their national flower. The Protea is unlike any other flower I've seen before. It's like nature's artwork with its intricate petals and unique shape. Holding one in my hand, I felt like I was holding a piece of history and culture, as it's deeply rooted in South African traditions. There are over 100 species in the Protea genus, part of the Proteaceae family, and all native to South Africa. They come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, making them a popular choice for cut flowers in gardens. See full list at monsteraholic.com. What does a Protea flower look like? Well, picture this, a stunning bloom with layers upon layers of petals, almost like a kaleidoscope of colors. Its sturdy stem supports a crown of petals that range from soft pastels to vibrant hues, depending on the variety. The texture is fascinating too. It's both velvety and robust, making it quite a sight to behold. Protea versus Warata. I haven't personally grown them, but I find Protea's unique shapes and vibrant colors fascinating, especially in floral arrangements. Warata, though, holds a special place for me with its bold, iconic Australian charm, making it a standout in native gardens. What does a Protea flower symbolize? To me, the Protea represents resilience and beauty in adversity. Its ability to thrive in harsh conditions, like the rugged landscapes of South Africa, mirrors the strength and endurance we all strive for in life. It's a symbol of courage, hope, and overcoming challenges, which resonates deeply with me and many others who admire its grace. Where is the Protea flower found? Well, primarily, you'll find the Protea flourishing in its native habitat of South Africa. But thanks to its popularity, you can also spot it in other regions with similar climates, like Australia and parts of Europe. Seeing it in its natural environment is truly a sight to behold, amidst the rolling hills and breathtaking landscapes. Can you grow a Protea from a flower cutting? The joy of propagation. While it's possible to grow a Protea from a cutting, it requires some finesse and patience. You'll want to select a healthy stem with a node, remove the lower leaves, and plant it in well-draining soil. Keep it moist but not waterlogged, and with a bit of luck and TLC, you might just see it take root and flourish into a magnificent plant. How do you dry a Protea flower? Drying a Protea flower is quite simple, really. I usually hang them upside down in a dark, dry place, like a closet or a shed. It takes a few weeks for them to dry completely, but the result is worth the wait. Once they're dry, they retain their shape and color beautifully, making them perfect for everlasting floral arrangements or crafts. How long does Protea flower last? The lifespan of a Protea flower. Well, if you're lucky enough to have one in your vase, you can expect it to last quite a while. Depending on the variety and how well you care for it, a Protea flower can stay fresh for up to 2 to 3 weeks. Of course, drying them extends their lifespan indefinitely, so you can enjoy their beauty for even longer. How much is a Protea flower? The price of beauty. Protea flowers can vary in cost depending on factors like variety, size, and availability. On average, you might expect to pay anywhere from a few dollars for a single stem to upwards of $20 or $30 for a bouquet or arrangement. While they may be a bit pricey, their uniqueness and longevity make them well worth the investment, in my opinion. How to get seeds from Protea flower? Harvesting seeds from a Protea flower is a labor of love. Once the flower has faded and dried on the plant, you'll want to carefully collect the seed heads and allow them to dry completely indoors. Then, gently remove the seeds from the dried heads and store them in a cool, dry place until you're ready to sow them. It's a bit of a process, but seeing those seeds sprout into new life is incredibly rewarding. How to open a Protea flower? The art of revealing the Protea's hidden beauty. Opening a Protea flower requires a gentle touch and a bit of patience. Start by carefully removing the outer bracts to reveal the inner petals. Then, using your fingers or a pair of tweezers, gently separate the individual petals to expose the intricate center of the flower. It's like unwrapping a precious gift from nature, revealing layer upon layer of stunning beauty.